Today we're making black pepper chicken stir fry, a quick and easy dish best served with rice and I think just perfect for a weekday dinner. So let's go. First, we're preparing our black pepper sauce bowl of efficiency. Now in a bowl, we're adding 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and I personally think that this is the most important ingredient in this dish. Well, besides the black pepper, of course. Next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and just to balance all those flavors out, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. And finally, black pepper. Now I added about 1 tablespoon of black pepper to mine, so mine's pretty peppery and spicy, but that's the way I like it. Now to start off with, you can just add 1 teaspoon of black pepper first and give it a taste, see how you like it. Adjust according to your pepper spice level preference. To loosen up the mixture just a little bit, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Give all of that a nice good mix and then keep to one side. Now that's all the seasoning we're going to need for this dish. It's super easy, right? Then we need some colorful vegetables. I have some green and yellow bell peppers and a red chili because I hated that I didn't have red bell peppers to complete the trinity, but yeah, we'll make do. Next, we need our aromatics. You just need 1 inch of ginger sliced like this, some onion rings, and 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Last but not least, chicken prep. We're marinating the chicken pieces. I have about 300 grams of cubed chicken breasts here. Add 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix all of that up together. Alright, cooking time. Get some oil in the pan. And then I'm going to pan fry the chicken. We're just trying to get a nice sear on both sides of the chicken, so using the cornstarch earlier is really going to help seal in the juices and also so you won't have a slimy chicken. Sorry for the imagery. But yeah, if you want to skip the entire chicken marinating process, you actually can. It's just I prefer it this way. It's an easy extra step for me. But yeah, anyway, once your chicken has a nice sear on both sides, just like this, we are then going to toss in the ginger, the onion, and the garlic. Stir fry all of that with the chicken, and once you start smelling wonderful things, go ahead and add in all of the black pepper sauce. I like a bit more gravy for my black pepper chicken, so I'm adding a bit more water here as well. I'm also going to add the bell peppers here as well. Stir all of that in and basically let the chicken finish cooking. And then you are done. Serve over some piping hot rice, and it really doesn't get much simpler than this. I am going to serve this with fried egg because something about that black pepper that goes so well with a runny yolk. So yeah, give this a go and try it, and yeah, bye!